What a blessed moment. What a blessed hour. What a blessed day. Can we close our eyes and go outside of this building and feel the day, the daylight, the trees, the animals, the mountains you can see, the rivers, people, skies. And our placement in that. I want to talk about two things which my beloved Chief Phil Lane. I sat with all the speakers last night and I asked them, how can we make this message, HKL, reach every heart? And Chief Phil Lane is such a beautiful soul. He uttered the same words there and twice today during his first address and now too. And those words he kept repeating, that each and every human being is sacred and we are on a sacred journey. Each and every human being. My dear daughter, Kathy Merchant, where is she? She said, I'm a devoted listener. Only few people in the world know that we only listen what we want to listen. And it takes a great discipline, great meditation in order to reach the power where we can, and humility, where we can listen to others. So we want to listen to Chief Phil Lane's these two words. Let's close our eyes so that we can listen. Each and every one of us, please close your eyes. Close your eyes and let us feel the beating heart. Let us feel the beating heart. More intensely, more intimately, by becoming more silent. And let us, while feeling the beating heart, let us remember our Creator. that immediately empowers us. His remembrance immediately empowers us with higher consciousness. When Chief Phil Lane was speaking, my heart was pounding. My heart was resonating with his each and every word. What is heart? Everybody is talking about heart. Heart is beating. Some alive power is beating the heart. Some alive power is beating every heart. That is life. Life is beating every heart. The word life is driven from aliveness. Life is beating the heart, every heart. That very life is, we all see, listen, smell, talk, feel, because of this life in us. We are alive because of this life, and that life is one. It's the same life which is beating every heart. It's same life which is looking. It is same life which listens. It is same life which speaks. Very lovingly, last night when I was sitting with all the beautiful, so blessed souls who were sitting on the stage, they were hugging each other and calling brothers. The word brother has been given to us by our ancestors. Brother. How are we, brother? Because it's the same life in each and every one of us. We are not, it is just this life. Only few people would listen, would hear this. That we human beings is the living God. And God cannot die. Life everywhere in the universe is another name of God. God is beating every heart. God is talking. God is listening. God is seeing. God is tasting. God walks. God sits. That life does all these things. Not only that we are children of the same God, it is the same God who is who who has assumed different forms or bodies. One power. It is just Him. There is absolutely nothing in the whole universe except life, and life is God. Heart beats. God is beating it. And when we say, He touched my heart, or they touched my heart, what does this mean? That I have heard the truth about life. I have heard the truth about life, that it is just, you can call it Creator, Allah, Divine, Vaheguru, Ram, any name, but it's that life. And it's very difficult. Only after doing lot of meditation, after becoming totally silent, peaceful within, through meditation, we can hear these things and we can feel that this is the truth. All this is just God. And when Chief was saying we are sacred beings, that's what he meant. That it is just sacred. Each and every one of us, it's just Him. So each and every one of us, you can't really talk about the truth. He says we are sacred beings. We are on a sacred journey. Sacred journey. Human life is to be on a sacred journey. And humility, kindness and love, compassion, all these are the virtues of God. All these are the qualities of God. And we have that already within us. All we have to do is get in touch with that so precious treasure of humility, kindness and God. And thank you, Chief, for reminding us. And we must please remember that when we look at the person before you, we should remember I'm standing in front of God. I'm standing in front of God. Then there is no need to remember that I have to be humble and kind and living. That instantly will make us in touch with our real self. I so humbly and so respectfully I feel grateful to all of you who have come to grace this event. We have beautiful events to come, and great day, Tanishi Shalom, Sat Sri Akal, Namaskar, Assalamu Alaikum, Om Shanti, peace be with you. Yali Madit. Allahu Abba. And to everybody, thank you, thank you. I'll be talking to you again for few minutes before this event is over. Please pay attention to what these beautiful speakers have to say.